First up, it's Olympic boxing gold medalist Luke Campbell with professional adagio skater Jenna Smith. Here's EastEnders actor Matt Lepinskas with Canadian international Brianne Delcourt. And now, Coronation Street's Samia Gadi with French international skater Sylvain Longchambon. Next, Wales rugby legend Gareth Thomas with Canadian international Robin Johnston. And finally, gymnastics superstar Beth Tweddle with 2 times Dancing on Ice winner Dan Wister. And now, please welcome ice dancing national treasures Jane Torville and Christopher Dean.